Welcome to Google Nest. We're going to show you how to set up and install the Nest Cam Outdoor Security Camera. There are a few simple steps. Set it up indoors with the Nest app. Find a good location to install your camera outside, then install it. Everything you need to get started is included in the box. We've even supplied cable clips to keep your camera secure and neatly route the power cable. You'll also need some simple tools. A Phillips screwdriver will do, but a drill with a Phillips bit will make installation easier. You may also need to drill some holes. If you're drilling into brick or stone, you'll need a masonry drill bit to install the wall anchors we've included. For setup with the Nest app, you'll need a compatible phone or tablet. Be sure to have your Wi-Fi password handy too. Go to nest.com/requirements for more information. To stream video, you should have a Wi-Fi network with a broadband internet connection with at least 2 megabits of upload speed for each Nest camera in your home. First, connect your Nest Cam's cable to the power adapter. Push and turn the USB connector to lock it in place. Then plug your Nest Cam into a power outlet. It will automatically turn on. If you don't already have a Nest account, go to the Apple App Store or Google Play to download the free Nest app. Launch the app to create an account. Once you're signed into your account, tap the plus sign to add your Nest Cam. If you don't see the plus icon, tap the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then select Add a Product. The app will then guide you through a few simple steps to set up your camera. You'll also check to make sure your camera is streaming video before bringing it outside. If you need more help connecting your camera, visit nest.com/pair. Now it's time to unplug your camera and take it outside. Before you install your camera, decide what you want to keep an eye on. Some common things security cameras look after are the front door, the garage, the driveway, and areas that aren't easily seen from the street. Nest Cam Outdoor is weatherproof, but raindrops or snowflakes might stick to the lens. Sun shining directly into the lens can also affect the video. If your home has eaves or a place that will provide shelter from the weather and the sun, see if that will work for your Nest Cam location. Nest Cam Outdoor is designed to be plugged into an outdoor outlet, and it works with standard while-in-use covers. These covers keep your outlet protected from weather. You can also drill through your home's exterior wall and plug your camera into an indoor outlet. You'll need a 7/8" drill bit. Keep in mind that you'll need to know where any in-wall plumbing and electric wiring are. Check the building codes where you live to make sure your installation is safe. If you don't feel comfortable drilling through your home's exterior wall, you can contact a Nest Pro installer in your area. They'll set up and install your camera and answer any questions you have. Now you'll test the Wi-Fi connection outside before you mount your camera. Plug your Nest Cam into the outdoor outlet. It should automatically reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. This may take a minute or two. The light on your camera will turn green to show it's reconnected. After your Nest Cam is powered up, hold it up exactly where you'd like to mount it. Use the Nest app to check that it's streaming video. If it's not streaming, or if your camera's light is blinking blue, try moving the camera a bit. Sometimes even a few inches can make a big difference and improve the Wi-Fi connection. If this doesn't help, look for an alternate place to install your camera and check that it can stream video from the new location. Thick or insulated walls can reduce Wi-Fi signal strength. Once you've confirmed your camera can stream video from the location you've chosen, take a minute to plan how you're going to route the power cable. Nest Cam Outdoor's power cable is 25 feet long, so it can probably reach where you want. Generally, you'll want to install your camera 7 to 10 feet above the ground so it's high enough to clearly see people's faces. Now it's time to install your Nest Cam Outdoor. Take out your tools, and we'll walk you through mounting the camera. If there's a metal surface where you'd like to install your camera, you can simply place the mounting magnet on it. Make sure that the grip is strong enough to securely hold your camera before continuing. For wood, masonry, stucco, and other surfaces, you'll need to install the wall plate to mount your camera. If the wall is made of a material like brick or stone, you should use the included wall anchors to hold the screws. Once the plate is secure, put the magnet on the wall plate. Then attach your camera. Aim your camera where you like. Then check the video stream with the Nest app to fine-tune its position. To help keep your camera secure and in place, install a cable clip close to it, but leave a little slack so you can adjust it if needed. Continue installing cable clips until you reach the power adapter. The clips will let you easily route the cable to make it as discreet as possible, and they'll help to keep your camera secure. The power adapter is weatherproof, but we recommend installing it at least 18 inches above the ground in case of flooding or deep snow. Place the adapter wall plate with the flat side facing the wall. Drill a hole and insert a wall anchor if needed. Use one of the screws to mount it. Then snap the adapter on. Fasten the rest of the cable with as many of the clips as you need. Install a clip near the power outlet to help prevent accidental unplugging. If you have any cable left over, simply coil it up with the attached Velcro strap. You can secure the camera plug by adding a lock to the outlet cover. Be sure to dust off the camera lens with a soft cloth to make sure it's clean. You can also paint the cable so it blends into your home's color. Don't paint the power adapter or the camera itself. That's it. To learn more about installing and using your Nest Cam Outdoor, visit our support website.